Let's start by solving 2 plus 4. So 9 divided by 2, 6 square into 1 by 2. We can easily cancel 2 and 2. This becomes 9 divided by 36 and your answer comes out to be 1 by 4. Sorry, but this is not the correct way to solve this question. Let's look at this question carefully. Always write order of operation BODMAS like this so that you know that division and multiplication are of same order, and when both are provided like in this question, you need to solve them from left to right. So first we'll solve for bracket, that means 2 plus 4. So 9 divided by 2, 6 square into 1 by 2. This becomes 9 divided by 2, 36 into 1 by 2. When you have a number inside bracket on right of another number, always write it as 2 into 36 and then solve the equation. Now all our symbols are either division or multiplication, so use this rule. Solve it from left to right. We'll first solve 9 divided by 2. This becomes 9 by 2 into 36 into 1 by 2. Next solve for 9 by 2 into 36. Cancel this becomes 18. So 18 into 9, that means 162 into 1 by 2. Again cancel this and this will become 81, which is your correct answer.